Aloha and welcome to Cooking with Dino Mama. Today I am making Dino Hummus. This episode is not sponsored by anyone, and anything I use or that you see is what is available in my home or local grocery. Let's start by draining 1 can of chickpeas and placing the chickpeas into the blender. I save the juice, also called aquafaba, for something else, like meringues. Next, peel and chop 1 clove of garlic. It doesn't need to be chopped fine because it's going into the blender. Add 3 tablespoons of tahini, which is really just blended sesame seeds. Add 1 cup of defrosted frozen peas and some fresh cilantro and 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Or I like to make olive oil and herb ice cubes, which is a great way to save your herbs if you have too much, and they're great for cooking. Add in 1 teaspoon of kosher salt, a teaspoon of garam masala, and a teaspoon of curry. If you don't like these strong flavors, you can add some garlic salt or paprika or whatever spices you like. Now, close the lid and pulse. Make sure to pause along the way and wipe down the sides so all the spices and flavors blend together. If you'd like, you can add a little more olive oil, but you do want it to be thick. The discovery of 2 baby bird-like dinosaurs in the stomach of a juvenile Gorgosaurus, a close cousin of the T-Rex, is evidence of how Tyrannosaurus diets changed as they got older. Teenagers hunted small, young dinosaurs because they were easier to go after, as opposed to a larger dinosaur that may have fought back. And now, back to our dino green hummus. Serve immediately with pita and chips, and put any leftovers in an airtight container with some plastic wrap on top to prevent the film from developing. And don't forget to share with Steggy. Thank you for joining me today in Dino Mama's Kitchen. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Enjoy, and remember, only nice people get sweets.